Today we are going to talk about your house or your apartment. I will ask you some questions. Please answer in full sentences. Are you ready?
Yes.
Do you live in a house or in apartment?
I live in my house.
How many rooms are there in your house?
In my house there are 4 rooms, 2 bedrooms, a kitchen and a bathroom.
Who do you live with?
I live with my parents and my 2 sisters.
What is your favorite room in your house?
My favorite room is bedroom because it's quiet and comfortable.
What can you see from the window of your house?
From the window I can see neighbor's house, poor market and poor hospital.
Is your house big or small?
It's not big but it's good.
What do you usually do at your house in the evening?
In the evening, I usually watch TV, play phone, and play with my 2 sisters and have dinner.
Do you have a garden or a balcony?
I don't have a garden, but I have a small balcony.
How long have you lived in your house?
I have lived for 17 years.
Do you like your house? Why or why not?
Yes, I like my house because it's clean, quiet, and I make a lot of memory and I feel happy in there.
Thank you so much for telling me about your house. You did very well. That's the end of your speaking test. See you next time.